Good work, team. We are almost done processing that monster of a lunch. The cafeteria bean burrito. This bean burrito is going to give the fart department a field day. Huh, boss? Yeah, it will. Hey, how come the fart department is always having all the fun? I mean, I'm the boss of the throat department. Maybe it's time we have a little fun. What if we send up a cough? You wouldn't. I already have. Sorry. Allergies, you know?